commercial, residential, flat roofs, pitched roofs, trapezio metal sheet, balcony, facade, all with one system and with less tools. How this is possible, we show now. Welcome on the booth of Novafixx. On my side I welcome Florian Achatz, he is CEO of Novafixx. Mr. Achatz, Novafixx is new on the market, very new on the market, and it has a very flexible system for many areas on the building. What is the solution?
First, I have to say thank you that you are here in our booth. As you said, I guess we are the youngest company here at the exhibition when it comes to mounting racks. As you said, so we have a lot of solutions, but our aim is to produce products where not only do one application, we want to install or produce items to do multiple applications with. First of all, I want to show you our new panel frame. Our new panel frame, it's a very unique item where you can install Nova flat roof applications. So panel width 1.13.4 m, doesn't depend which length. And with this panel frame, it's possible to install east-west, south orientation. You can do green zone clamping or edge clamping. And the most interesting thing is that this panel frame you can either put directly on the surface when the roof is able to take the load, or to work with some snap plates, so-called snap plates, our shoes for the ground, to bring the load exactly to the roof or to fulfill the demands of the roof.
If the insulation is too weak to support
to do not harm the insulation.
Yeah.
And I like this small item, it's called FlatFix connector. With this FlatFix connector, we do all applications in the flat roof application. So this is our connector to connect frame per frame, only snap it in, turn it, and then it's fixed. If you turn the screw with TX40, the whole system is fixed and you are lightning protective, and this is what we have certified by DIN. Important is also we have ballasting trays, we have different gaps for maintenance, for front or the downside of the panels, to extend the space between the panels. We have some porters to install stones. So like you see, and the static calculation will be done by our software NovaSoft.
These are made clamped here or?
Exactly, so we can extend now to the next frame like this, or frame by frame, depends on what the customer wants to have, a small gap, a maintenance walk or whatever, or if it comes to south orientated system, more distance because of shade. So this is the customer's choice.
Yeah, and you have also lightning protection in the system?
Exactly. Very good that you say this. We have here a Nova FlatFix ground, which is also a connector, like the FlatFix standard, but you can clamp the lightning ropes, and so you fulfill all demands of the roofs when it comes to lightning protection. Over there, I want to show flat roof, south orientated. The windbreaker, the quarter brace, everything is connected with a FlatFix. Important to say, if it comes to clamping of solar panels, we have here a very unique installation to make installation of the solar clamp very easy for the installer.
And the frame is not only for the flat roof, but also for other installations or other areas?
Definitely. So this is what I said before. We want to do with one item more applications. We can do this as a flat roof system for small applications on the ground. For example, the so-called balcony systems in Germany or Europe. We can install it on the wall as a facade system. We also can install it on trapezoidal sheet metal or on seam clamps. This is our aim, and this is what we want to provide, and we will do this very soon.
It's a very interesting system, but a new trend is the green roof. Do you have also a solution for green roofs?
The Nova Green? Let's check it out.
So, green roof. The support is a little bit higher for the plants?
Exactly. So this is our Nova Green line, and if you see the construction, it's looking similar to the Nova Flat. What we can say now, we have the same items, we have the same ballast tray, the same design. Important is we use also the FlatFix again. And when it comes to installation speed, we can say now these two systems, Nova Flat, Nova Green, are the fastest systems for installation, and we are very happy about this. And we can do here a lot of applications, depends with snap plates or without, to put it directly on the surface. Everything is possible here.
So you can use it for new roofs and for existing roofs.
This is our plan. We want to do this. Yeah.
Okay. So I see here a pitched roof and a lot of hooks. Yeah. What are the hooks?
So between a very short time, we developed a full range, full item portfolio for the demand of the, let's say, commercial, residential roofs. And I want to start with our unique hooks. So we have two hooks, the Nova Hook Flex with a turnable or adjustable adapter on top, and the Nova Hook Fix. Very interesting is that we can install the rail directly in the hook. And the clue is, now you can step on the rail, it can't fall out for sure. If you pull it, it falls out. Then you turn the screw, it's fixed. You can adjust the height, and this is very, very interesting. Or, if you want, you can install it either vertical or horizontal. This is the clue behind this hook. You can combine both. We have separate plates if the customer wants to have it, but you see here full range, so we can go ahead. Cable management, cable outside management, that the connectors are secured regarding isolation failures, cable management, cable clips, which can be used also in trapezoidal sheet metal application, full grounding range. This means also certified by DIN. This is very important to say that we have the full certificates for this, and very important, our Nova Clamp 1. Our Nova Clamp 1 is the most innovative clamp in the market, with integrated grounding pins on the top here, on the base item of the clamp. And we have only one clamp for end and middle. And it's easy to install like this. That's it. And the problem of the clamps in the market is mostly that it is not easy to slide them in the rail, that the installers are facing problems, and we avoid this. We can slide it very easily in the rail, and this makes installation easy.
Yeah, it's a very easy installation. You have also solutions for the metal sheet. Metal sheet,
also easy. We call these items Shorty Landscape and Shorty Portrait, and we also have the Fire Shorty for the demand if you need some, or if you have applications where you need more distance between panel and the roof cover. And also we use the Nova Clamp 1. That's it.
Yeah, and you have more air condition behind the modules.
And it's easier to install the cables and so on. So there are definitely benefits, but you know, price-wise and benefits are always
true.
the problem.
That's true. You have also solutions for the facade. You showed one. Maybe you have more.
We call it Nova 1. I want to show it to you.
Yeah. So here the facade, a brief.
As discussed earlier, we can either install a facade system with our panel frame. As you can see it here on the wall, depends on what the customer wants, a tilted facade system or a parallel facade system, both we can do. And here on this side we see the parallel installed system with a Nova Clamp 1, with a black rails and the wall connector, a very, very interesting solution, which we want to present always more and more in the market.
Yeah, super solutions for each area in the buildings. Thank you, Mr. Achatz, for the solutions, for the explanation. And if you want to know more about Novafixx, please use the website.